In this video, I will be covering the last two letters, mim and ha. So far, I have covered 26 letters. With these two, it's going to be 28. Let's get started. The first one, mim. You start on the line, small circle. You stay on the line. Or sometimes you can write this small circle like this. Either or, both of them are correct. In the middle of the word, dash, small circle, stay on the line. At the end, small circle, you go below the line. Look at the middle. This small circle, it has to go down. The face of this small circle, it has to be down, not up. But in the beginning of the word, you have two choices. At the end, if it's connected, dash, small circle, go below the line. Let's do ha. If you look at ha, it reminds you of ta marbuta. But there are big difference between ha and ta marbuta, the one we did long time ago. And in my next video, I will show you how to distinguish between ha and ta marbuta. Now let's see how we write ha. Big circle. Inside this big circle, you draw a small circle. One more time. Big circle. Keep going, small circle. You stay on the line. In the middle of the word, we have more than one option to write ha. It could be like this. This is one of the options. It could be like H shape, number 8. Or it could be like this. So whatever you decide, all of them in the middle of the word are correct. For example, my name is Maha. I can write my name like this, mim, ha, alif. I can write it like this, or like that. At the end, if it's not connected, small circle. If it's connected, flag. In my next video, I will do some connecting for mim and for